Halo guys, sekarang kita berada di Birmingham lagi. Tapi tujuan kali ini saya ke Birmingham untuk memperpanjang visa saya dan mengganti kartu identitas untuk tinggal di UK. Jadi dari Kettering ke Birmingham sekitar 1,5 jam naik mobil. Untuk Birmingham kota terdekat untuk memperpanjang visa dari tempat saya di Kettering, Northamptonshire. Ini lagi cari jalan ke gedung tempat saya nanti mau tes bahasa Inggris dan tes
really fantastic 6-figure package.
Dan tes apa namanya? Tes living in UK. Yeah, that is the town hall. That is in front of that building. That's a Victoria statue.
That's where it's supposed to
Queen,
be.
yeah.
Victoria Square.
Yeah. Aduh, sekarang sudah bulan Mei, tapi masih kemarin cuacanya matahari bersinar terang, hangat. Sekarang kembali lagi dingin, teman-teman. Sekarang lagi hujan, rintik-rintik hujan. Kalau orang sini yang punya drizzle. Aduh, meler hidung saya, dingin. Nah, nanti saya kalau udah sampai di that's Victoria statue, Queen Victoria statue. I think we have to
It's on this
turn
square.
right.
No, it's on this.
The building around this
Yeah.
square. Okay. Oh, last year also they making building something in this.
They did something last time.
Yeah.
So this is something over there. Look,
Oh,
it's that one there, isn't it?
iya. Jadi gedungnya di sana, teman-teman. Tuh. Nanti saya gedungnya di sana tuh. Nah, kalau di ini namanya Town Hall. Ini gedung tua ini Town Hall. Jadi seperti kantor pemerintahannya pemerintah daerah kota Birmingham. Jadi kota Birmingham ini kota nomor 2 terbesar di Inggris. Nah, Town Hall
Town Hall.
tuh.
Remember that statue there?
We sit down over
We sit down.
on the step, I think. Remember?
That went down to.
Yeah. And remember we asking to the police around this area.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Nah, jadi ini town hall-nya, tuh gedungnya. Di depannya ada patung.
Actually not level.
Iya. Ada ini patung Ratu Victoria yang memerintah di abad 18. Nah, itu Victoria, Queen Victoria statue di daerah sini dulu namanya Victoria Square. Nah, di kota Birmingham, teman-teman, ada tram tram ini baru di apa sih bahasanya, baru berjalan, dibangun jalan di dalam kota Birmingham tahun 2021 kemarin, diperbarui, dan mereka sekarang punya tram seperti di Belanda. Tram ini transportasi hanya untuk di dalam kota Birmingham saja, tidak sampai keluar kota. Nah, itu tram. Kita tunggu ya tramnya sampai jalan. I have to waiting until the tram.
Yeah. Now.
Nah, ini tramnya teman-teman. Tuh tramnya. Just like one. Iya, saya sedang jalan melewati stasiun kereta api di Northampton di kota Birmingham. Jadi di kota Birmingham ini, kalau saya lihat banyak penduduk Muslim di sini. Penduduk Muslim dari berbagai negara, terutama Pakistan, Bangladesh, penduduk Muslim dari negara dari benua Afrika. What? Straight or cross the road? Is that clear? Oh, kita harus nyebrang jalan. Sekarang saya sudah selesai tesnya, Hani. Saya tadi sudah selesai tes bahasa Inggris di Trinity College di kota Birmingham ini. Nah, doain saya ya, mudah-mudahan saya lulus, jadi tidak perlu tes lagi. Nah, tramnya tuh. We have to cross the road again.
Wrong, yeah, over there, yeah.
It's almost the same like not the UK. Ya, jalan tram atau jalur tram di kota Birmingham ini baru dibangun tahun 2021 kemarin. Nah.
You need to find a big centre.
What name? What big center?
The bull ring, because that's where we park now,
I
isn't
think
it?
that is around Bury. I think that is the way to Bury.
We're not far, yeah.
I remember this road.
We're going the wrong.
What?
No, we're going this way. We're going the wrong way. Look, that's where we are. And we're walking this way now. That way.
Hah? Hah. Karena kita bukan tinggal di kota Birmingham, jadi kita harus lihat peta lewat telepon, Google Map, untuk mencari tempat parkir mobil kita. Go to the right. Look, remember that there's the church,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Wagamama over there.
Down the steps.
Yeah. That is under, at the bottom they have a market. Remember the vegetable market?
Oh yeah. It's a bull.
Iya. Nah, ini pusat perbelanjaan di kota Birmingham, teman-teman. Jadi dulu saya pernah ada kontennya juga, ada videonya juga yang sudah tayang berapa tahun yang lalu. Ini tempat orang belanja di kota Birmingham. Jadi daerah sini namanya Bullring Square, pusat perbelanjaan di kota Birmingham. At the cathedral.
That way, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, I remember that building. But we have,
Came out the car park,
yeah,
we saw that building.
yeah.
So we maybe have to go down the step.
And then turn left. Ini katedral di kota Birmingham. They need to check my ear, maybe because they're thinking I have something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Wi-Fi or Apple thing. Yeah, and they put
Yeah.
the chips in it. It's there over there. We need to be paying before we go to car, I think.
Yep. I remember the look of the mama.
Yeah.
I remember. That's the market.
Market was over there. Wasn't it? When we came out the car park, we
Yeah,
saw.
yeah,
Oh yeah, I remember Vietnamese.
yeah. Oh, jadi bulan Mei masih terasa dingin, teman-teman. Jadi,
Oh, when you was videoing the truck,
yeah.
you see that girl come across the road?
No, what?
She got massive shoes and makeup was white.
Oh no, no, I'm not seeing that.
You never see her.
No.
I know gold is not in her. She's a diamond.